Good morning, YouTube. It's about 7 a.m. in the morning. We are all set to go towards Hampi. The reason we are doing this ride is that bike you see right there, blue color GS. This bike right in front of me is gonna clock 100,000 kilometers today. That is 1 lakh kilometers. That is the reason we are going towards doing this ride. So yeah, we are about 30 bikes and 10 people in the car. So that's the scene. Hi. So I think there's about 135 kilometers to clock 1 lakh kilometers on his bike. So it's gonna happen somewhere before Chitradurga. So yeah, the route is Chitradurga, Hospet, Hampi, the same basic route. Yeah. And we are a huge group of 30 bikers today. I think I have never ridden with so many bikes till now. Pleasant weather, great roads. Yeah. Hi. For me personally, this is my favorite highway, the NH4 Bangalore-Bombay highway. I have been traveling on this highway since I was a kid. My mom's native is on this way, so yeah, as a kid I used to always travel on this road. 6-lane highway is always empty. I love this road. I feel so good following him. Oh, I can see his odometer 99,978. Oh wow. So it's about 22 kilometers remaining until he clocks 1 lakh kilometers. Bikes all over front of me, behind me, all kind of bikes, Harleys, ADVs. My whole group, he is the second person to cross 1 lakh kilometers on a motorcycle. First person is right there, my dad. He was the first person to clock 1 lakh kilometers on his 1200. Now he rides a 1250 GSA. Such a great feeling riding in between these two riding legends. That's him. That's a great feeling. I hope it's recording, please. Yeah. It's a great feeling. I literally have no words. Only those who ride know this feeling. How much ever I try to explain, no one can get to know this feeling. When my dad had clocked 1 lakh kilometers, I was his pillion. I was sitting behind him, and when Babu uncle is clocking 1 lakh kilometers, I'm riding behind him. 99,993 kilometers, 7 kilometers to go. Full record of this. 1 lakh kilometers.
1 lakh. Sir, congratulations, sir.
All right, 1 lakh kilometer celebration is done now. It's time to head for breakfast. Let's go.